Sunshine TV na sadu wani gusu a oda so ehwe. One say Koda Bondo me say me de me ho ama Jesus. Koda, may your soul rest in perfect peace. Musumi be yebe sie Koda. Krabia yebe kata ne chi kra. Ye nua ba mu obi ye friend no eye Aaron a. Ono oba asase so Yakopon bo no ba e say wo mesom no no ono de obefato no say sebi obedi ne trumu bebre ka no say wo ye gay. Aaron de ne hu rasa eye sui ma na so obefa Yesu Kristo eye ni wura ne na agye nkwa. Yenda sorry ya na Aaron assign akone tibia dada ne biem aya na nsem bi se etwago intention na ehia nipa bi a wabresu ko ewo nyame adwuma ma wono so de afutuo kese ba betu embebu na eba no tie ne ye wo papa eye Apostle George Wonder teteki say ewo ha oda eye Restore Monday Global Ministry anu ewo Agape down papa akwaba
ya media
bo se asem ya meke mu odi it's not nipa ehia na ayewo senia odi betutu yi am because ensem de ba say na nanti ase no aye media no so say one tebe dem pa no bi be fa Kristo or what be mo be fa Kristo say ni ran na jenkwa na obeda be so na so me go back
ye dey can me da ase me da hwefo yi na ase bet me contact me on 0249942113 na ne dey can say the chair Restore Monday for you now.
Yeah.
The chair be in the bush. My dog for any my time for you and
but not just what time for.
The baby was as so be anyone near time for. There's some way now come out with me do shepherd.
Oh wow.
It is all now near time for our program.
Sir.
But more than so Benyabi.
Serious.
What not going him.
Maybe some manager so what time for. Then you may see who ye.
Yeah. And that's some days some way. But so be able 5 years to send a crown Nigerian because it's a so called through a process. Through training. Through new convert class. Now yet children. Now said that be betting a tea and be soon as because nowadays no one say obi what be a bit more free more see me as of for. Inti the foundation no anka say so to me nya not me gina so say fapim bi no the foundation is not there. Inti okwa na se ne ho kire no kakra obesa ko back.
Inti na obefa Kristo na anka so wo sie ne ho kakra e be ne ho kakra na.
Say so my titi no otno obi na se titi no. At least 5 years. Go through normal new convert class, maybe 1 year new convert, called maturity. Then after new convert, baptism, maturity class. Now we grow the but now you're kakra. But I don't think say occurred all through this process because so fast channel we know na I can do obesa send a back view because one fact sanctity no matter how won't mean be a dear name and any perocope at the end of any it's as a fertilizer and we are born a cacra
a new room
we did it to her and she did not say the son of the Nidian Sana Koye as I go through the normal process now. Anka by now no bet me standing.
It's papa send ya akoye say wo ye sure say bia o sakra ye wan fanya me ye bia o peja o kitekita mic tutu ndum aso de body deliverance no e bia honhom bi na attempt na
say ade no obi a wonim say na ye tu bia kese no wo say obi tu bia kese o si me so me won fi am betimi atu bi wo be lucky need the understand akoye on ru baby is about the difference but ene se say na no be na me student be kasa me say e bere bi atwa moko no answer no be ho so be yesofo a why dikinda why elder answer no be yesofo presiding answer no be yesofo but ene ni ho o sha se a hu se na e bon pai kakra o hu se na ye hu ntefre ba ko mi no o se me yesofo say I miss you there my drew.
Oh, who say I can't drink a coffee about time?
And then you about time.
Oh wow.
The whole plan is say That's all share clerical. Near who's also your software. But you have to go through the channel. One call channel no man because near more quiet so. And social or how be quiet so. It is a one to me and Ginas and social and now we have a friend now see me into the sea and Munya me pemamia. It is the sea a sofa be brewer, a coin collar, or my pro, I am pro-dear. I say, I saw we bring no, I quite share or mark yet improve 1 penny for also until a 2 year dear. I want to meet Gina and an idea. Oyene Abba.
Apanti Sesiano, Sasun ye de wo, ye de won colano, and as a mobile fan war, as I see so.
A be or wha, nay, you be one no knock it or bar su. Maybe or a bema, but the nature no. I think some see John say why you say XX who said Emma, yeah, Emma Nipano yet, he said, or a bema, but or ban the formula, but he said,
a form of blood group,
a form of blood group.
Oh, okay.
There be form of sperm, no.
Okay.
Okay. And we say, ma, oh, was or a bema, bounce a knock at or bar gene. Bounce or obviously or bar or bema gene. The Nipeduan in the TBN United said Bema, and the BB said Bema. Until you were had sooner than you will, but Nipa Bonnie for any home bonnet, so I capitalize on that particular thing, and no use so more. Not a man or Mutisano or Mamma gay. Any man or so Mutisano, Musa my lesbians near the a BA, any who now. Any way and a money by baby and a baby so sketchy. A come cacra bedua. It's a company do one over. A journey come do a woo.
Sir, wow. This is a poor man of God. He said, Mammy be sure us who was Sabanibia. And to take you a while, never fan. I said, well, when I was home and Masu and one janisa and I do my why.
And you know where saw ye. And you may saw ye and say, as I saw ma. So ye bear manna or keta or basua. Is a someone whom say, or ye bear man. A manun to Tom Maniama and man. A manun chirenu niama and ma a ye. Senior obey dear grow, senior bar a ye nadian, and says all this entity and entities are bear man. A someone who saw ye bear man. You on teaching the senior titi bear man. Near bear my yeno, and no necessary to make children no man ye. Nti oye ne mema no ya obe piki saa de no di anyene nti onam no obi ka kire se oye kojo besi akorampo na ha no
sawo
yes na fiti ase na se otimi ma no hunu se ebia oh se na mewu se na ebia uye wa de ti so ba but uye bema because me won no mo bi wo me was some family members bi wo ho they have the nature that but ono oye na de oye na adwuma ti say bema oye na bibia ti say bema because ni na gina ntitiye na e de man free fiti ase no and I feel say she say or encouraging no to be a lady so your boy or bema is so encouraging no say oye na de ti so ba say so otumi hu say oye bema nyame born say bema nti mema niama na say so ye oye e manu to tom man niama ma no ni ade sa de no ntimi mwa no
papa you say Aaron abrantie kama o fa nyame na wosan akoyi wutumi say aso dan nim na ebi okọ meeting sa challenge ni bi wosan akọ back na say no ye abontin na fofo na ebe enu so betimi abanisa ebe fi asori we bia na the same suni bi wo ho enti na ma na san ko back to
ebetimi aye namfofo ebetimi aye se bi o hye obi nso a na o wa asori ho na nka no nso kane no wo sa atibia no ana se na obi nso asori ho na o wo sa atibia no na ebia nkomodim ena eko police anyama no de bae ena ebia nipa no this ka influence no. Well, because most of the things na here financial influence. And yes, scanso can be. And a covenant be so how could rema who pay free ma as a sort of mission we. Nti apam bi a bia na owo wi ase no na owo mu no. want me and deliver the way free sa pam no mo e na ono so akosha ase se ono so e ko break obi apam because one kasa we dey no we free ho because how long did you change from that particular character and how long do you become a pastor? So what is the preparation? We prepare on fear. So as I said, because say unyini e wo nyame asem bebre it's not that because obi anyini wo nyame asem enye say wo kan Bible no from Genesis to Revelation say wani obi wo ha Bible no kra from Genesis to Revelation kra unto me kan but you can't maturity in the things of God out to me say sa nepa yi na dwuma pie wenyini wo nyame sumu oti nyame sumu ase enye because of financial scarce and I say bibi eye material things na on any di echire what means say we do very mature is not interested in the thing of material things
is a po bia na bi so person de ne homa Christ na say we hu sa ade wo internet so a eno no entwene nsan ana
oh the na say nipa e betwe na say onye ready
because some of the comments they say we na bi say anko fa Christ na so nia wa hunti asa born back cry
oh there be so of Christ e manu mu na bem na mo so of Christ adeba kwa mbese ti ase say the church no aye hu no the church is not the only place enye the way say a solemn place but it's not solemn it's a classroom it's a theological center you go see theology wo ho anaka you go see theology because obi a go see adipam ye kira o se na ye kira adipam opie na okofia na akopam atare na ofie se me be sua ne me sana sorry dan tie nti ma ye hu asori dan ne se ye baby a e bia ye hu se baby a ye sua nyame hu asem ye ni be boy ye bra wa abonten enye asori dem o na ye ubawuze obi aba asori dem o ye ne holy but okofia osinjata nti ukosua no wa be practice wa outside abonten e na be hu se amponsi na si we wa sakra ebia ne etu eroi eye ade bia ada se wanu ne hu se osansa na chi akosa atibia no bi so what I say nti ensese
na nkamba baby sound
nti ensese ye condemn no so timi call o was atibia no ma free mo ena wa san komo bi etasi well obia wo weaknesses ebia the weakness bi na ma na san call back bi but in this no ensese ye boa no
and yes papa say no samba say ebia ne okoye ye obe so ba be pacho say o pa Ghana for acho ne oye no ye sanje ni ntuma
yes mo say je no tum
na so tum futragu Ghana for any
oh there be say ye boa no ye je no tum say wanu ne ho as long as wa show remorse oh wa dead dia kire say ne oye ye no wanye ne yie won hu say ne oye no there be atu obi sintidua e wo ne nyamesumu no say jinutum na mo ye boa no but the problem of the church they say so because situation be mu afi kura de ye kun sanepa we condemn the person to become as if say why ya de bia obi nya bida
so onu no de na abeto
abonti but obi de oye kura na eche ne de na so as I say so when it happen like that what you have to do is say ye mu sanepa no say obetimi asore eche na na so biom say ye kunu because we know we would dada
you be see na bo akuno
well we would dada nti say man ban kwan mu biom well ti me de ne say ye mua no say nyame ma ye ti me mua no omo ben no omo ti me mua no omo hye no nkura na omo ntwene mbata omo ho so omo ti me boa no omo yi no free mu a omo ye omo nyame so adwuma
wo say mpempin ye de oma sebem no mundru bonene bi nema na ko rehab no sani pa bi say no ye betimi dina kosie e wo ba bi sa na
betimi dina ko
almost ye
I think say baby kura wa masama this NGO bi omo yesa
bi oge ne ni ade na
I think say there's an NGO bi wo friend say amasama also yesa nyama
okay what did you kosie wo
yes
yeah papa your fan now
Futu kakra me be ma say ni pa hwe ase a osan sorry nti ye nua no wa hwe ase ye mo ano no sorry ye nso ni mu ma ye condemn no once ono ankasa afiri pembe kae say wasan sa ko back no na che say ade no ye no na nimye bon anka wa be ka wa na be ho wa be ka pe na che say ade no ye no enye ni pese oye
e bi kwa ni oye no so ni pa bebe ni nje ho omo pese anka onwo na etibi adada ni wa
nti ye mo mpa ma no mi mpa bo ne say rade emu ano no mfrim na onsan china ni na mo so no nye ne nyame asoma ne so meye because ebe na mo enso nti ebe ma nipa bebre so asakra be won Kristo nti obi biara o condemn no bia mi pa no chere ma no condemn o pai ma no unu ahwe ase a ye wa said ye se obeso ni mo wa sorry nti ye mo pai ma Kristo fo yin na ye mo pai ma so hwe na to no.
Thank you for coming. Many Reverend Wonder near me did too much. Wonder to say na and they share you didn't come on. Patch me so be like you now wash it. Subscribers and you be so errands because Papa say Oshia sia then you will be a yan was regana for say ye be boy a year errand na ye didn't go see baby to say rehab na wakoji adwiremone ni pedwemu eyi hwehwe eyi kakra ye ni si ansa wa befa Kristo ai ni wura sa agye nkwa na dwuma no wasomu yi aye nyame ya aduma da se ne ye besa hia biom e wa attention TV kwantwa akra